It's a massive.
Just arrived.
He went for a hole there, boys, that was not there. Look at the spectators. That is a scary scene. Wow. And the drivers, the prototype drivers spoke about this. They said we will need to take unnecessary risks to clear GT traffic. This is frightening stuff. Alan McNish is still in the car. On first glance, guys, I don't think the gap was there. Let's take a look down through the Dunlop curves. He goes inside Bernard. That's for the lead of the race.
It wasn't there. I mean, we're talking about it's really difficult to see out of that car, and it just...
Peter Aronson tries to get out of the way, but the leader is blocked. And there's contact, and that is blocked in a huge Marshall's run for comfort and safety, and also involved in that was Postiglione's car, I fear, that's up the escape road. And straight away, I think the officials are going to have a look at that. And there was contact between Maron and Blomstedt and a red flag. The race is stopped. The race is stopped because it's taken barriers down, and there is obviously concern about the marshals. So the race is stopped straight away.
His services around the country. An awful incident involving an Aussie race car, and Brendan Tucker, check this out for a roll that gains momentum. How many, can you count that? Actually, these blokes up here can't count to that sort of number.
9.5.
There was a lot. This is extraordinary. Now the good news is that Brendan got out of the car all okay. I couldn't figure out which way north was, but otherwise fine. That's amazing, and a testament to the strength of the cars. So it's all going to play out this weekend, folks. We are going to have a huge weekend.
You can see Mike moving inside the car. He's going on the inside of Ryan Hunter-Reay. This reminds me almost of Dan Weldon's crash here in turn 3 and 4 quite a few years ago, and the car is up into the fence, which is almost reminiscent of Kenny Brack's accident at Texas quite a few years ago, guys. Very, very lucky.
You know, he was incredibly lucky that he did not go head into that fence. That is a horrible impact. Wow.
All right, let's go on board from Elio Castroneves' point of view.
You can see Mike was trying for some reason to go on the inside.
Wow, he almost collected Anna Beatrice. Now from Ryan Hunter-Reay's car.
So you can see that he got hit on the inside and up over the top, and you can see Ryan Hunter-Reay moving his hands, and he looks up in front of him and he goes, my gosh, I can't believe that.
Oh, wow.
Rainfall, you can see the rain. Very narrow, that was not going to happen. No way. It's high. Oh, they're still at it. They are still at it. Now these two boys have got to calm it down. Boys, bro. Oh, my God. That's not on. That's lunacy, boys. Yeah, that's just crazy stuff. Two guys. It's one thing to have a go and not get it right, but to carry on like that is lunacy, and they should be slapped over the wrist. Have a look again. Stanaway makes the move. The block's there. There's no room.
No, but he moved weight. That was a bad move there by Pye, I'm afraid. But he shouldn't have moved over that far.
Then there was more contact on the exit. This was
the
run. He's blocking the line. Stanaway's having a go. Open wheeler. It launches off.
I can't believe that thing wasn't damaged then. I mean, that was an amazing recovery by Stanaway to get through there.
Well, he made it around the corner and then it kept going. And Nick Percat, we said just sit back and wait and watch. Look at all this. That's one hit.
Percat used his brain here big time, and
he needs to absolutely hook it up now. This is going to be so close. In he goes. Solberg into the joker lap, into the right-hander, into the left-hander. Ekstrom swings around the Fox. Solberg's run wide. It's going to be a race to the line. Who's going to take it? Too close to call. It's Solberg takes it 100th of a second. Unbelievable. Solberg takes it 100th of a second.
Here we go, look, this is it. So you can see Solberg just searching for traction, trying to get it to bite up Ekstrom. Look how close that is.
Unbelievable, unbelievable. Wow. If he'd mounted the transponder Ekstrom just a centimetre further forward, he might have got it done. That is incredible. 5 thousandths of a second, we think it is. Oh, incredible.
About to happen in front of him, so he splits the lotion to Zadra around the outside of Montoya.